morning, viewers and subscribers. This is girl, Lady Hannah, in the kitchen this morning again. Guess what, people? I want to help me with this one. Today is Independence Day in the Bahamas. And I wake up with my intention to cook my nice breakfast. Fried dumpling, you know. Ozzy said, no, that can't work. It's the Bahamas Independence, so you want a behamian breakfast. So guess what? We're gonna merge the two together. Half behamian and half Jamaican. Fried dumpling Jamaican. And guess what? What you call this, babe? Stew fish.
Stew fish.
Stew fish, the behamian style. So guess what? I am gonna let him tell me what to do. Because I am not too versed at that. So we're gonna work on this one together. So watch you now. We have a nice snapper here that is already cleaned, washed with vinegar, and all dried and ready to season. So come tell me what to do. I'm gonna season the fish. I have some garlic powder, some alright, we come back again. Hubby and wife team this morning. Ready to fry the fish. Fish them season up and ready for fry. I'm gonna drop a little piece of pepper in the oil and 2 peg of garlic. Because you say the oil hot. Alright.
Now that part there is Jamaican style.
We're doing the two of them together. It's a combination of Jamaican and Bahamian style, alright? So we're gonna put in the fish. And guys, remember when you put in fish in hot oil, you must always put the fish away from you, like this. Alright? Alright, here you go. So we're gonna fry up the fish and then we're going to come back after the fish fry and then we're gonna get the next part together because this is a 2-part process, alright? So this is the Bahamian stew fish. Alright, so we soon come back. Say something, babe, that the people know the
remember, the pepper and the garlic is Jamaican style. You usually just fry the fish. So it's a combination. It's a combination. It looks good. A nice combination. So you can see how this one goes.
Alright.
Smells good. It smells good. Alright.
Yeah man, the fish fry. Fish fry, so I taking them out. And then we're gonna do the next part, alright? Them fry alright, babes?
Them fry good. They look good.
Okay, so that's his style, you know, not mine. Switch the pot. Alright. Now this is the second part now. Come babe, explain this part to the people for me, please.
You can use some of the same oil that you use to fry the fish because it's fresh oil. Still good. Oil and flour. You're going to brown the flour.
Okay. So, we're gonna... Come in, people, come in. I experiment, so take time with me. Let me rinse off my spoon. In the meantime, I'm getting some paper towel over here. Okay, so Obi said the next step is we're gonna take some of the oil out of this. How much, babe? That's one.
A spoon should be enough.
That is enough?
Yeah, just enough to brown the flour.
Okay. So we're gonna, when this oil is hot, we're gonna add some flour. Anything should go in the flour, just plain flour?
Just plain flour.
Okay. So it seems like it's hot enough. So we're gonna add some plain flour in this. Remember, this is Bahamian stew fish. Jamaican don't know nothing about this.
And you keep stirring. As you go, you keep stirring.
But this look like you want a little more oil.
If you need a little more oil, you add to it.
Can I add a little more oil to it?
Yeah.
Alright, let me add a little more oil to it.
The idea is to brown the flour.
see if this will work. Okay, people. We're browning the flour. We call this, we do something like this with flour, you know. But we use it make porridge. We call it parch. We call it parch flour. Woman, we use it make one part, make a porridge. So it should be brown, 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 right?
Right.
Okay, people, guess what? We're gonna continue brown this flour. When it brown, I will come back and show you the next step. Because I don't want the video to be too long. And it seems like browning this flour gonna take a while. So we will be back shortly, alright? Okay, guys. Obi, this is how it's supposed to look.
Right.
That's how it's supposed to look. That's the flour and the oil. He say what you call this?
Brown.
Brown the flour in the oil. And what's the next step now, babe?
Add some water, add the ingredients.
Okay, he said add some water. Tell me when to stop.
I haven't stopped.
Huh?
How much cup of water? 2 cups?
This is a cup of water. Or a cup and a half, sorry, a cup and a half. Show all?
Yeah, sure. And 2. It mightn't be enough either.
Alright, so what's the next step now?
Put in the herbs.
So we have potato here. We have onions. We have a little garlic and we have some sweet pepper. So we're gonna put in the potato. I had it in some water. Let me throw the water off. Alright, so we're gonna throw this in this. Alright, that's the potato. So should we let this boil a little before we add those or what?
Yes, potato.
Okay.
We need to add a little more water because it's gonna boil up.
Okay, he said I should add a little more water. So I'm gonna add a little more water and let the potato boil. After the potato boil, I will come back and do the other step. Alright?
Add another cup of water.
Okay, I'm gonna add another cup of water. Here, guys, so we are doing the behamian stew fish. Alright, so he says add another cup of water. Alright? And then we have the dumpling to fry. Alright, we soon come back. Alright? Alright, we're ready again. The pot has been boiling now for about 10 minutes.
And the potato kind of should soften. You have to soften the potato because everything else don't take long to cook.
Okay. And what next now we're gonna do now?
You're gonna put in the ingredients. You can put in everything. Everything just goes in the pot.
So put in the onions first, right?
Yeah.
Come in, I'm getting my spoon because I have to stir. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna put in the onions, alright? Onions, stir in. Put that one side. Then which one is put in the sweet? These are sweet peppers, multiple sweet peppers, the red, the green, and the yellow sweet pepper.
You cut them to the size so you're liking. If you like it finer, cut it finer. Sometimes we cut them finer, then we cut them bigger.
Babes, you have to talk up, make people in hear you. You talk like you can't talk, so. Alright, what next now?
Pepper, if you like pepper, you can put in some pepper, and that's garlic. That's pepper and garlic.
Alright, pepper and garlic. Watch we know. Now
you're putting in some seasoning, all-purpose seasoning.
Yes, it's some all-purpose seasoning.
And you're putting some of that inside of it, if you're liking. Be careful how much you put in.
I just put in 1 spoon.
Yeah.
This spoon I using, I just put in this amount. Yeah. I ain't put in all. We're gonna taste, and then if it need more, we add more.
Yeah. And the more fish you have, the more liquid, the more water.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And then we have some lemon here. You're gonna put the lemon in now?
Yeah, you can put the lemon in.
Okay. We're gonna squeeze the lemon so the seed don't drop in the pot, alright? Every time babes I do fish, you know, you have to do having lemon. They call it sour in the Bahamas, but we call it lemon or lime.
Yes, you can use lemon and lime if you want to, or just lemon.
Right.
Your choice, your taste. The way you like it.
Steam hot though. I should have squeezed this juice, you know, or something. This steam will come up hot. I will live far.
Normally you have the lemon already squeezed into
We never squeeze it.
yes, but we never squeeze it. We are squeezing it direct. So squeeze the lemon first into something and then just pour it. So you'll be able to just pour it in.
Okay, I learning as I go along, people. So no work with me, alright? And remember, please like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you think about this combination of Jamaican and Bahamian breakfast this morning. And guess what? Hubby say this supposed to go with grits or
Johnny bread.
Or Johnny bread. But because I never had that in mind this morning, in my intention I was going to do fried dumpling and steamed cabbage. So him flip the switch for me, so I do already need up over there. So guess what? It will just work with what we have this morning, alright?
Yes. Johnny cake or Johnny bread.
Okay.
Both of them same.
Okay, next time I go and make a Johnny bread and show you. Alright? Because I kind of learn 1 and 2 of the behamian thing, you know, because I have to. I have to cook when like I can cook the Jamaican thing all the while. So, guess what? We're going to let this cook down for a while and then he will tell me when to add the fish. So, we're going to come back when it's time to add the fish. Alright? But babe, I think I should have taste it from now and see if...
Taste it.
Are you to taste it? Because you know what it's supposed to be tasting like. Okay, people. Time to add the fish in the stew. Alright. Adding the fish in the stew. That's how it's supposed to look, babes?
Yes, and remember, the more flour, the more richer. This one here is fine, but the more flour, the more richer the gravy, the stew, I should say. The more richer the stew.
And how long should this cook now since everything is in?
Matter of fact, just until you taste the potato, the potato is good enough, soft enough to eat. Basically because the fish already cooked and everything else don't take long. So onion and sweet pepper doesn't take long to cook.
Alright.
Once the potato is soft enough, yes.
So let us test this the potato. Well, the potato almost just, so we're gonna leave this to simmer down for about 5 minutes. Alright?
Yes. And we also allow, when we put the ingredients and we allow it to boil for about another 10 minutes and before we put the fish in. To kind of cook the thing and to cook the ingredients, because you don't want the fish to become piece. If you put it in
too soft,
it'll get too soft and it'll break apart.
Okay.
All right. So that's the purpose of putting the fish in at a later time.
So we're gonna cover this now for about how much?
Let go until you get covered until the potato is soft enough that the potato is done.
That's about another 10 minutes.
Yes,
and
about
then
another 10 minutes. And check the potato. Once the potato is done, it's ready to eat.
Okay, so alright guys, we're gonna come back with the finished product, alright? Okay, viewers and subscribers, here I am frying my dumpling. I didn't show you the first part of the video because it will be too lengthy with the doing the stew fish and everything. So see them right here frying golden brown. I'm gonna take them out in a while because they're almost finished frying. Alright, so I'm gonna come back and show you my presentation with my stew fish and fried dumpling. Alright, that's it. The dumpling them frying. Catch me now, watch me now. Dumpling and fried Jamaican style. Watch me now. Watch me now. Happy Independence, Bahamas. And see the stew fish over there, so finished already. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Mix me up. Yeah, man. Okay, guys. There you have it. Stew fish and fried dumpling. Or be say you want Johnny bread, but next time I'll do the Johnny bread, alright? There you have it. Jamaican and Bahamian together. Thanks for watching. Happy Independence, Bahamas. There you go. That's the proof. You ain't looking this way and just digging in. How it tastes?
Excellent. Just right.
Okay, there you have it. Bahamian stew fish. Bye.